We, we acknowledge and pay respect to the past, present, and future traditional custodians and elders of this nation and the continuation of cultural, spiritual, and educational practices of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people. Thank you everyone for joining. Over to you, Miss Rajeshri.
Thank you so much. Welcome everybody for today's class. I'm joining after a break of couple of weeks. Nice to see you all, and I hope that you will make the class interesting by participating. When you participate, the class becomes interesting. So I am looking forward to your participation in the chat by writing the answers, because without your answers in the chat, I cannot move ahead to the next slide or whatever I want to discuss. So I hope all of you are ready, sitting up on your chair. Come on, stand up, all of you, from your chair. Or your bed or wherever you're sitting. Stand up, quick. Let's do some energetic exercises. Come on, jump on your place. Jump on your place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, raise your hands up. Raise your hands down. Put your hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Now do a little boogie boogie. Shake your body. Shake your body. Come on, left, right. Full body. Shake your body. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. I hope you are doing it. Okay, turn your head to your right. Your head to the left. Look up. Look down. Walk 2 steps. Walk 3 steps back. Walk 1 step forward. And sit down in your place wherever you are going to listen and do the class. Sit down now. Breathe in and breathe out. Ready for the class, all of you? I hope you have a notepad and a pen or a pencil with you, because we are going to do some written exercises. So before we start, I want you all to make the plus sign, big plus sign on your notebook, on one of the pages. In one of the pages, I hope you have done it. Take one full page and you make a big plus sign. The horizontal line, it is called the X. So mark it as X. And the vertical line, it is called the Y. I think you all have done those. That's why I'm not explaining much. So now we move on. Ready with it, okay? We are seeing how Sprite, the cat, loves going for an adventure. Are you all ready to go for an adventure?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, Mahen is saying yes. So we were going to have an adventure trip with Sprite. We'll see how Sprite enjoys moving around. So it is an adventure trip. I want somebody to read also. Volunteer to read, please. Or I call out names. Okay, Mahen is the first one. Okay, Mahen, read.
Okay, dear teacher, in the name of Allah, the inventor of Sprite in Sprite City. X, Y plus X minus X plus Y minus learning X and Y coordinates in Sprite.
Okay. Now, you all had drawn that plus sign and you all had marked X and Y. Now, I want you all to mark the plus sign and the minus signs for the X and Y. The positive and the negative signs in your notebook wherever you have done the plus sign. So you write x minus x plus y minus. And the center, I want you to mark it as 0, 0. To write 0, 0. Where the 2 points are meeting, the lines where the 2 points are meeting, I want you to write 0, 0. And Sprite is at the center now in the adventure city, Sprite City. This is a Sprite City. And Sprite, the cat, is at the center of the Sprite City. So you can see that the adventure land, and it's ready to go for an adventure. Next one I want somebody else to read. Someone. Okay, Samira, read.
Okay, teacher. Hello, my name is
Samira.
Sprite.
Say, no problem.
Yes, I live in this separate city.
No, I want you to read this, what it is written here. Read
Sorry,
this
teacher,
slide.
I don't understand.
Read this, what is in the slide. This slide. I highlighted.
Meet separate? Meet Sprite? Sprite. Hello, my name is Sprite. I live in the Sprite city.
Okay. Which city does, write the answer quickly. Which city does Sprite live? Write in the chat. In the chat, quick. Which city does Sprite live? Okay. Samira, can you read it again?
Meet Sprite. Hello, my name is Sprite. I live in the Sprite city.
Okay. Now, which city does Sprite live?
I don't know, teacher.
Okay. I live in Sprite City. Who lives in Sprite City? Okay. Can somebody translate this? Who you can translate? Okay. We have seen this adventure. Sprite is in this adventure. Sprite is in the adventure land, and that adventure land is called Sprite City. Now, Sprite is the cat. Okay. So the cat, the Sprite is introducing himself. It is saying his name. Hello, everybody. My name is Sprite, and I live in Sprite City. So where does Sprite live, Samira? Where does Sprite live? Samira?
Yes, teacher.
Now you tell me, where does Sprite live? Sprite has introduced that his name is Sprite. And where does he live? Where does he live?
Sprite city?
Yes, now you got it?
Yes.
So others have also written, very good. Gulsum, Tamkin, Havagul has not written the answer. Tamkin and Mahin also has not written that. Okay, so both of you correct, Gulsum and Tamkin, Sprite City. Now, let us look at the map of the Sprite City. You have written, you also write down, okay, the Sprite City in your notebook where you have written. Now you can see the X road, okay, and the X road is left and right road, okay. Now on the right hand side of your notebook, where the right hand, you write right side, right road. On the left hand of your notebook, which is horizontal, the X where you have marked, like the one which is marked as X, this one. On the right side, write right road. On the left side, write left road. Written? Yes or no? I would like to hear. Have you written? Have you written? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everybody, I want to know that. See, if you all don't answer me, I'm not going to move ahead. I would love to hear your voices, whether you are understanding or not understanding, both. When you understand, you answer. When you don't understand, you ask. So if you don't answer and sit quietly, I will just shut down. I want everybody to respond. Otherwise, I'm not moving ahead. So I want to know, have you written X and Y? On the X, did you write right side X road? And on the left hand side, left road? Did you write that? Havagul, you said I don't understand. Okay. See, that is when I'm able to explain if you don't tell me. Now, did you draw the X and Y line? Yes or no? That you write in the chat. Havagul. Did you draw the X and Y line? Can I have the whiteboard, Paramita? I'll just close this down. Can I have the whiteboard, please?
You have to stop. Yeah, you have stopped sharing. Of course, I'm going to give you the whiteboard. Okay, I'm just going to clear the whiteboard for you. It just clears. There is an option called clear the whiteboard.
Yeah, there is an option.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm done almost.
I don't find the lines over here.
Yeah, it is the third one from the top.
Got it.
And you take the shape, the straight line. Do you want me to draw one for you?
I was drawing it.
Okay.
Can you see mine?
Yeah, I can see yours. But yours haven't crossed the entire...
No, because you have drawn after I did.
Hmm.
Okay, both of us were doing at the same time. If you can just drag yours and put it in the center.
Why don't you bring yours to this end?
Okay.
Then it will be, the entire screen will be shared. Can I do it? If you just take your, I'll just do the cross and then you do the rest. Can you just get rid of the red one, please? And then I'll do that and then you go from there. That's good. Giga. That's all yours.
Okay. Now, this is called the Y plus. Okay. And this is called the Y minus. Now, this is called the X. X plus. And this is called the X. X minus. Did you draw this in your notebook like this? Check. No problem, Zora. Yes, Mahin says yes. What about others? I want everybody to write. Zora, draw this, what I have drawn.
Believe as women we
Tamkin, yes. Zora, yes. She's doing it. What about others? Samira, you have to respond. Nowadays, you don't respond. Tamkin says yes. Zora, Havagul, have you drawn? Good. Mine is showing it also. How Gul, have you drawn? Gulson, thank you. Yes. I want to see Samira saying yes. Havagul saying yes. Then only I'll move ahead. Yes, Gulsum, Havagul says yes. What about Samira? Samira nowadays doesn't use the chat.
We
Teacher,
we
I'm
have
out.
spent two classes on this, Miss Rajeshri. We have
And
spent
then
two lessons on this. If they can't get it, then I don't know what to say. We have already
exactly.
spent almost 4 hours, and then we.
Samira says I'm out. Okay. Okay,
Oh,
Samira, but you're listening, right?
even
You're
Mahin
listening.
has put it, Miss Rajeshri.
Yeah,
Mahin
I
has
saw her.
put it. Yeah.
I saw that. I told very good. I already said. Okay, now when you're writing plus, plus means what? Another word for plus.
Plus means positive.
Yes, very good. Whoever answers I'm going to really give them 2 extra points. Plus is positive. What is minus?
Negative.
Negative. You have to write in the chat, huh? Negative. Plus is positive. Minus is negative. Now, I had said right on the right-hand side of the road. Which is the right-hand side? Now, my right hand is this side. Whichever or your right hand is right road. This is my right hand. So I put right road. Yes. Did you write that? Now, on the left, I asked you to write left road. This is my left hand side. So I'm writing it on my left hand side. Left road. Did you write? Yes. Others? Done? Yes, good. Now, I want you to tell me the center. Please mark. I forgot to mark the center. Please mark the center as 0, 0. The center. Oh no. How do I drag this? How do I drag this? It is not in the center.
What do you want to draw, Miss?
I wanted to edit this. The text is not getting selected.
Okay, go to the first one, the text tool.
Yeah, I've gone there, but this is not.
Then you can
selected.
get a text box.
No, I wanted to edit the where I've written 0, 0.
Oh, I see. You want
That
to
is not
not the correct one. Okay, so what you can do, you can remove it with the duster, and then you can write in the center. Yeah. Right at the center, you can put 0, 0. Would you like me to write? Miss,
I get it.
Yeah,
But
you
I
have
don't know
got it. You have got it. You have got it.
Okay. So I'd write this also 0, 0, all of you. Done. Okay. Others are much faster than me. Thank you so much to know that you're faster than me. And I'm happy about it. Okay. So now we have written the 0, 0. So 0, 0 to the right is right road. 0, 0 to the left is left road. When I am saying this, I want you to say also 0, 0 to the right is right road. Say that loudly to yourself. 0, 0 to the right is right road. 0, 0 to the left is left road. And that is x-axis. And that is x-axis. So x-axis has two parts, to the right and to the left. It also has another part, two parts it has. One part is right and left, and the second part is, it is positive, plus, and negative, minus. So x plus is always on the right side. Now write in your notebook, x plus is on the right side. Write it. X plus is on the right side. And next you write x minus is on the left side. Did you write that in the notebook? Is that clear up to here? Is that clear up to here, everybody?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Habagul also says yes. I'm happy. Now next part. You have drawn the Y. All of you have drawn the Y. You can see the Y over here. Now write Y. On the Y over here it is up road. And down here you write down road. Done, everybody? Up road and down road? Okay. Now you write that up road Y plus, down road Y minus. Up road, or that is Y plus, is upside up, and Y minus is down. Okay. Now quick, I'm going to ask questions now. Is that clear up to here, everybody? Yes or no?
E-
Not Mahen only, I want everybody to write. Mahen, thank you so much. I can see you're really taking so much interest and working. Yes, Havagul, good. What about others? Zora, Tamkin, good. Bibi, yes, okay. Now, I want you to tell me that I saw a bird flying and it moved to my left. So is it a positive or negative? I saw a bird flying and it moved to my left. Is it positive or negative? Quick, on my left. Good, Samira. Bibi, it is on the left. Good, Zora. Left is negative. Okay. Good, good. Now I saw the cat running in the opposite direction. Bird was on the left. Now I saw the cat running in the opposite direction too. So right, which side? Opposite direction is which side? I want to know which side. No, I didn't say up and down. I said opposite direction. Habagul, you have to listen. The bird was on the left. Now it is going on the opposite direction. Opposite is which
Negative.
one? If the bird is going on the left, I saw the bird on the left side, I saw the cat on the opposite direction. So opposite direction is which one?
Negative.
See, you're all getting confused. What is the opposite of left? I asked the direction, I didn't ask the sign. I didn't ask the sign. I didn't ask positive and negative. I said direction. Which direction? If it is the bird is on the left side, the cat is on which
Yeah.
side? Yes, Zora. Very good, Zora.
Right side.
Right side. So I had asked the direction. I didn't ask the negative or positive one. I didn't ask the sign. So the cat ran on the opposite direction. The opposite direction is the right side. So right side is negative or positive. Now you write. The right side means negative or positive. Yes, yes, understood. Okay. Then I saw the boy, a small boy, climbing up the hill. Climbing up the hill. So which axis? Which axis? Climbing up the hill. Upside, which axis? I want the name of the axis. Very good, Zora. But I didn't ask the sign, huh? I want to know the axis. Which axis is the boy has climbed up? Which axis? Only axis. I only want the axis. I don't want the sign. I don't want the sign. I only want the axis. So the axis is plus or minus, not plus or minus. Y-axis. Yes, Didi. Y-axis. Now y-axis is going up is, now you write which side. Going up is which sign? Positive. Yes. I'm going step by step. I'm not rushing. Huh? So if you rush, you will forget. Please write down in your notebook as you are writing the answers in the chat. You write in the notebook also. Going up is positive. Y-axis. Now, I saw while the boy was going up the hill, I saw a little small tiny squirrel coming down the tree. Coming down the tree. So I want to know which, is it positive or negative? And which axis? Which axis also? Negative Y. Very good. Very good. Good, good. Now, the center is called as what? The center of the road is called as what? What is it called, the center of the road? There is something at the center of the road. No? If you look at the y-axis and the x-axis, the center of the road is which one? Where they meet. And that meeting point is called what? That meeting point is called, you all wrote in the notebook. You all wrote that point. Yes, Mahen, very good. 0, 0. The center of the road is called as 0, 0. That is the starting point. Right there, starting point. 0, 0 is the starting point in your notebook. 0, 0 is the starting point. Okay? If I share, you need to close the whiteboard, right? If you keep sharing. Okay.
Miss Rajeshri, would you
Yes,
like
yes.
me to stop
No,
sharing?
let that be. Don't stop. I may need it again. So I have shared mine. So don't stop. We'll keep working. Okay. So now you can see over here, I want volunteer to read. Please, Bibi, read. Bibi, are you able to unmute and read? Is there a problem?
Hello, dear teacher. No, it's not a problem. I've read it.
Okay.
But can you make your screen a bit up? Because I can't see the other. Okay.
No, once you finish reading this, I'll go scroll it up. Otherwise, that will not.
Okay. King X's wrote, direction X value. Left, negative, right, positive. King X only cares about left and right.
Okay. Who can explain this? You translate this also clearly.
Okay. پادشاه X X سرکش رود سرک رو میگیم نه direction X value همه X left طرف چپ و همون negative که از منفی right طرف راست positive چیز positive equals plus positive نمی‌فهم بداری چه قسم میگیم ما positive جمع میگیم positive خوب
Okay.
King
Done?
X only cares about left and right. Okay, positive مثبت. King X پادشاه X فقط درباره این که یعنی طرف راست و چپ بره که از متوجه همو است فقط.
So who is the king?
Okay.
Thank you. The King's Road. This is the King's Road, which we have seen here. This is the King's Road. This X is the King's Road. Okay. And the King's Road has, as I already asked you to write, right side, right positive, right road, left side, left negative, left road. We already have done that. Okay. So what does the King X only bother about? Left and right. It only bothers about left and right. The x-axis, what does it tell you? That it is only left and right. Left is negative, right is positive. Now take your hand, both your hands out straight. Put it straight. Now put your right hand to put both your hands in front of you. Put both your hands in front of you. Now take your right hand and put it straight on a shoulder level and say my right hand is positive. My right hand is positive. Shake your right hand and say my right hand is positive. Now take your left hand and move it to the shoulder level and shake it and say my left hand is negative. Now say right positive, left negative. Shake your hand and say right positive, left negative. Right positive, left negative. Say that 3 times. Right positive, left negative. Right positive, left negative. Right x-axis positive, left x-axis negative. Right x-axis positive, left x-axis negative. Is it clear? Is it clear up to here, everybody? Yes. I hope you'll
Yes.
remember. You'll not forget. Now, y-axis, I want somebody to read. Who is ready to read? Zora, will you read?
Okay, teacher. Queen Y's road, direction Y value, up positive, down negative. Queen Y controls the sky and the ground.
Yes. So Queen Y. Which is the Queen Y over here? This one. You all have done the Y-axis. So this is the Queen Y road. And Queen Y controls the sky and the ground. That is what it is said. Controls the sky and the ground. That means up. When you go look up, now all of you look up, lift your head up. You can see the ceiling of the sky or ceiling of the room, or if you're outside, the sky. So looking up is the sky, positive Y-axis. Looking down is negative Y-axis. Looking up, positive Y-axis. Looking down, negative Y-axis. Say that 3 times loudly. I want you all to say it loud so that you remember. So when you climb up the hill or climbing up the ladder, that means it is positive. Or climbing up the tree, it is positive. But when you're climbing down the hill, or you're climbing down the rock, or maybe you're climbing down the ladder again and climbing down the wall again, then it is negative. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Now, the royal palace. The royal palace is which one? The center, the meeting point. There is a palace over there. Okay, and I want somebody to read. Who will read? Who will read? Gulsum?
Can I?
Who is that? No, Mahen, wait. Gulsum, can you read?
Yes, dear teacher.
Yeah, read.
Royal places 0.0
0,
and
comma,
the
0, not 0.00.
0, comma 0. Okay. Okay, dear teacher. The royal places is at 0, comma 0 every January. Every journey begins here.
Say royal palace. This is palace.
Yes, in the center.
So
Yeah,
this
palace.
is the center. You can see a palace picture. You know what is a palace? What is a palace? And somebody
Can I
translate.
say?
Yes, Mahin.
Um, in the Persian, the palace.
What
Qala.
did you? What? Caesar?
Qala.
No, what did you say in English? Yes, Bibi, where the king and the queen live. It's a building of the
Is the
king and the queen, the palace. That is called as palace, not prison. Palace is the king and the queen's house. Big house they have. Their house is having so many rooms, some 40, 50 rooms they'll have, and big, so many, so it's a big, huge building. So that's why it is called as a palace, with many rooms. So the royal palace, which you can see in the center, is at 0, 0, where the lines meet. That is the starting point. We already said, no, starting point. So the journey begins here. So it starts here. Okay. Now, the next part. Who, Nasima, if you're there, can you read? Is it possible for you to unmute and read? Or Sarah? Sarah, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah, read, please.
treasure hunt. A sprite must find the treasure. The treasure she is at 100,50.
Okay, fine. So now here, I will move. Yeah, you can see the whiteboard here. Okay, so let us the two. You also, as I am doing it, you also write it over here in your notebook, wherever you have written, drawn that.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm taking big points. Okay. You can use small points also, but I'm taking big points. Okay? The same thing I will write here also. And one more I'll draw. Oh, BB says I can't hear you. I did not say anything. No, BB, right now I was doing. Now you can hear? BB? Yes, I didn't say anything. No. Okay, I have drawn these, I've written these numbers here on the x-axis. X-axis which side? Right side. And on the y-axis, which side? Upside. Okay, so both will be, when I write it on the right side and on the upside, what will the sign be? Quick. Positive. Good, Zora. Very good. It will be positive. Now, back to the question. I'll show you the question later. The treasure chest is at, there is a treasure chest here. Okay. There is a treasure chest at this point. Sorry, not at this point. The treasure chest is at this point. Now tell me what number is the treasure chest at? K10. What is K10? From where did you get K10? There is no K. There is X and Y. Can anybody tell me where is the treasure? Okay, I'll again say. You can see the treasure here at this point. Now this is on the positive side or negative side? First write that. Positive side or negative side? First write that. Positive side. Okay. It is above x-axis or what? It is above the x-axis or below the x-axis?
Above.
Right in the chat. Above or below? Above the x-axis or below the x-axis? Okay, above the x-axis. It is on the positive side, it is above. So you see the 100 here. You can see the 100 here, my cursor. So at that point, her chest. Okay. Now, it is at certain point, which is meeting at certain point. Okay, let us say where it is meeting. Now, it is at 100 over here. Now, it is also meeting at here. So, it is at this point. So, what is the other number which is helping it to meet? What is the other number? One number is 100. The other number is 50, right? When they are meeting over here, 50 and 100, they are meeting at this point is the chest. So 50 is on which axis? 50 is on which axis? Y plus axis. Very good. So how will you write the coordinates then? When you're going to write the numbers, positive, how will you write it? In the bracket, first you will write the x-axis number, then you will write the y-axis number, and you will close the bracket. This is the way to write. So how are you going to write? I will show you on the whiteboard. First, you will write the x-axis number 100, then put a comma, then you write a y-axis number. And you should have a bracket. I forgot to put the bracket. Always in a bracket. This is the way you write. We can't take this up, drag this up. Huh? I want to drag. Okay. I'll write it here. So when you want to show the meeting point, what the treasure hunt is here, the treasure is here. So you will write it at the meeting point as 100 and 50. Okay. Now I want you to tell me the treasure hunt is, sorry, the treasure hunt is at this point. So what are the coordinates? Quickly write in the chat. Is it positive or negative? First look at that. Is it positive or negative? Is it on the right hand side or left hand side? Positive. Very good. Right hand side. Mahin, you have written wrong way. Positive. Right side, left side, right side. Good. Now you have written the y-axis first. I told to write which axis first? Always you must write the x-axis first. X-axis first. So your coordinate over here will be, now write the coordinates. If I draw the line, so what are the coordinates now? What are the coordinates? Now write the numbers. Write the coordinates means write the numbers. What are the coordinates? First you must write y-axis, x-axis number. What is the x-axis number? Which is the x-axis number? So one, yes, Zora, good. One write, then everybody will write. Otherwise, they cannot, they'll have to see others and write, huh? So, both are positive or both are negative? Both are positive or no? Havakul, you've written the wrong way. The bracket will be first, then you write the number of y x-axis, then comma, then y-axis, and then close the bracket. This is the way. Have a good. Positive, right, very good. And Mahen, it has to be in the bracket. You cannot write outside. It has to be in the brackets. You have to have the opening and the closing bracket. Okay, good. You understood? Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you that if we can't have this, again I have to write it over here. Okay. Supposing I have it over here. 50. Hundred. One. And the same goes on the left hand side also. Now I will write here 50 minus 50. Because it is now, sorry, this also is wrong. I must correct that also. I'm so sorry. 100 should be minus. Minus 150. I got this wrong. Erase it. Minus 50. This has to be minus 50. I forgot. This has to be minus 100. Okay, supposing I draw the chest here. Tell me, where is the chest? Where is it? On which axis? Up or down? First look up or down.
Down.
Write it, write it. Write it. Write it in the chat. Up or down? Up is positive. It is down. Down means negative or positive? Down is negative or positive? Negative. Right, Gulshan. Right. Okay. Negative in which one? Y-axis or x-axis? Negative which one? Y-axis or x-axis? Mahit, see carefully. Y-axis. Very good. Yes. So let us draw the meeting point. Okay. It is at 100 and it is What are the coordinates? Write in the chat. What are the coordinates? What are the numbers where they're meeting? What are the coordinates where they're meeting? Remember which one to write first and then which one, next number. And it has to be in brackets. What are the coordinates? It is meeting. What are the coordinates? Quick. Very good, Gulsum, but you have written wrong way. Zora is correct. I told you that you must write x-axis first, then the y-axis. Always x-axis first. X comes first, then y. Yes, Havagul. Havagul, you've written wrong. It is not 100, 100. It is 100 and this is which 100? With what sign? If you write 100, 100, then it is in the same line. It is on the right, 100, 100, 100. Again, Mahen, you are wrong, Mahen. Is it positive or negative? Yes, Gulsum, correct. Bibi, I didn't see you writing. Sarah is correct. Correct up to here? Are you clear? Are you clear up to here, everybody? Yes or no? Yes, okay. Okay. So we'll move on to the next slide. Okay, we'll move on to the next slide. So the treasure chest is at 150. So how should Sprite move? Sprite should move which side? On the right or left? Positive and negative? The answer, which side? How should Sprite move for this treasure hunt? It is at 150. 150, right? Positive. Very good, Zora. Very good. Excellent. See, you're understanding my question. Those who are not writing and taking time is unable to understand my question. Up, positive, right. Very good. That is also correct. Right, positive. Correct. Okay. I want somebody to read. Who is it? Yes, Mahin, you can.
In the name of Allah, teleport magic spell go to X 100 U 50 0.0. This magical spell is instantly takes Sprite to the treasure.
First translate. Teleport means what? What is meaning of teleport?
Dear
Jumping.
teacher,
Teleport means jumping and moving. You're not walking. You move from one place to another like a magic. Got what teleport means? Who can translate that into Dari?
Yeah.
I want someone to translate. Teleport means not walking and moving. You are moving from one place to another place like a magic. Yes. How should Sprite should move up and down, left and right? Yes. Okay. That was in the right earlier question with the coordinates given, Shara. The coordinates were 150. 100 x-axis and 50 y-axis. So which side it should move? Right side.
Dear teacher, can I say it in Dari?
Yes.
Teleport means in Dari teleport.
I don't know. You have to tell. What does that teleport mean in that? It is not telephone. What does teleport? Just look
It's
up and write it in the chat. What does teleport mean in Dari? You're learning a new word. Teleport. You have to read it. Havagul, can you read it? What it is? What do you say?
Teleport and Dari is Jadugar.
Jadugar. Okay. Is it so? Teleport is not Jadugar. Jadugar is magic.
Another
What is,
meaning?
what has Gulsum written? What has Gulsum written? Teleport in Dari is not Jadugar. That's what I can say. Anybody else found the meaning in Dari?
Dear teacher, the teleport means teleport in Dari. No more.
No what?
No more because in Persian
What?
we call the teleport teleports.
Is it that? What did I have shared?
Yes,
What I have shared? What is it in Dari? Somebody has to read it. Transform, change. No, it does not change. Transform is changing. It moves with suddenly from one place to another place. There is, in between, there is no jumping, walking. Now you are standing at one position and next moment you're standing in another place. If you are in the right hand side, suddenly I see you on the left hand side, some other place. Got it? Did you get it? Now here, see, you can see the sprite cat is over here. Now next moment you see sprite cat is near the treasure. Without crossing the space in between. Very good. Yes, that is the correct meaning. You see the sprite here, and then you see the sprite here. Can you see my cursor? It is on the chest. So did it walk? Suddenly by magic it went there. It is not walking. Okay. So who is doing that with the magic wand, the spell? You know who is doing that? The magic wand is making the cat jump from one place to another. Now that one place to another that is moving, the treasure was there, and the cat suddenly jumped from here to there. That distance or that coordinate is x 100 and y axis 50. So here I'll show you I think again I have to stop share the map. Oh, that keeps vanishing. Now it is there. Now let me erase all this. It's also vanished. Huh? Oh no. Sorry, taking up time. This takes a lot of time. Okay. Now, the chest is here. The treasure chest is here. Okay. And the cat, let me draw the cat with another color. Can I change the color? I'm so bad in drawing, but this is the cat. Okay. The cat is on the, I hope you can understand the drawing, is on the chest or the treasure hunt. Okay. Now, the cat was here also. The cat was standing here. The cat was at the starting point. Now, from here, it went to here. Did it go walking or did it go jumping, or straight away it went to 100 and it went to 50? Straight away it went to 150. So did it do any other kind of physical moving? Did it go to any other kind of movement? Just one movement from here to there. Did it do any other movement by going to 50, then 200? Did it do like that? Did it go to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100? Did it go to like that or straight up to 100? Did it go straight to 100? Yes or no? Yes. Did it? Yes. No. Gulsum says no. Why? Did it go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80? Did it go Gulsum? Okay, yes. So it went to straight to 100. And then it jumped up to 50. Did it go to 10, 20, 30, 40, that much height and then go there, or straight away to 50 and then jumped? Straight away to 50, isn't it? So this is called teleporting. No problem. This is called teleporting. Is it clear up to here? The meaning of teleporting? That it went from one place to another place without walking in between or taking any other steps or doing anything. Straight away it went to 100 and straight away it went to 50. And there the treasure was there, it jumped over there. Okay, clear. Good. Thank you. So this is what it is saying, that it has gone straight away to that place over here by jumping to that place. That magic was given by the magic wizard, and the wizard told the sprite, you have to go to the treasure without walking. I am going to make you jump over there. And so with the magic wand, it made the sprite jump over there. Now the next part, let us see here. Here it is little, you have to think. Okay. Now somebody has to read. Nasima, will you read? Nasima, did you read?
No, ma'am, I didn't read yet.
Yeah, read.
Okay.
And translate
The
also.
walking spell. Okay. The wizard said, "Don't use the magic jump."
No.
Uh,
First, see my curse. Can you see this?
the walking. Sorry, ma'am. The walking spell.
Then this side.
Yes. After finding the ma'am.
Treasure.
After finding the treasure, Sprite wanted to visit this friend who lived further down the road.
Lived. Who lived?
Lived, yes.
Now here.
Fathers, yes. Can I translate as well?
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am. After finding the treasure, بعد از پیدا کردن خزانه، Sprite wanted to visit his friend. Sprite یا همین شخص فکر کنم wanted to visit a friend. خواست که دوستای خود را ملاقات کنه. Who lived further down the road. که زندگی میکردن دورتر از پایین سرک. فکر کنم further.
Okay.
Yes. The wizard said.
Stop.
Okay.
I want to ask a question here. And I want to see others writing, everybody writing the answers. Sprite wanted to visit his friend who lived further down the road. Further down the road means going down the y-axis or going more down on the x-axis. Further down the road. That has two meanings.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we have to see which one. So we'll see how it is. Further down the road means going on the same road. Down the road. 1 minute. Further down the road is, it is not this down the road. Okay, not this down the road.
Yes.
It is going further down means same road he is taking. That is, he was in the x-axis, so he is going further down on the x-axis.
Yes.
Okay. It can be x-axis or it can be y-axis also, further down the road. And moving up if it is. But it is saying further down the road. That means it is going on the same road but more forward. Going on the same road but more forward. Okay, now read.
Okay. I read, ma'am?
Yes.
The wizard said, "Don't use the magic jump every time. Sometimes you must walk." So he taught Sprite a new spell. Change X by Y. Yeah.
Right?
Y. By 10,
No,
sorry. Change X by 10.
Next, translate.
wizard گفت don't use the magic jump. جمپ جادویی را هر وقت استفاده نکنید. Sometimes you must walk. بعضی موقعی که شما باید قدم بزنین. So he taught Sprite a new spell. بناهن او آموخت اسپریت را یک اسپل جدید. Change X by 10 و گفته تبدیل کنید X را با نمبر 10.
Okay. Is it clear up to here? Now, let us do the whiteboard. Here. Now, what is it saying? That, supposing, let me erase all this. Oh my God, all got erased.
Sorry, ma'am, you asked me?
No, I didn't ask you. I said the numbers got erased. Oh no, I don't want the number to be erased.
Can you do Control Z to get the number back?
Okay, that's a good idea. Okay, so now the magic wizard, what did the magic wizard say to Sprite? That every time you can't jump and go. You are not going to go jumping now. Now you want to meet your friend. I want you to go walking. Okay. I can't move this after positions, no, the text positions. Anyway, I want you to go walking 10 steps. So he was here at the starting point, and now I want you to go. I'll show you on the right. No, I'll show you over here. Rather than okay. So here the sprite is here at the starting point. Now you see x-axis over here 0. You can see x-axis 0, y-axis 0. Can you see that, all of you? I think I'm not sharing. I'm so sorry. I need to share. You can see this now on the screen. Can you see the Scratch app on the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We see. I
Yeah.
see. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Now you can see here where my cursor, my right hand side cursor, it is showing something. Can you see the cursor? On the right hand side, there is x-axis and there is y-axis, there is 0 and 0. That means the sprite is at the center. Okay. Now let us do 100 and let us do y-axis 50. Did you see it moved up? Yes or no?
Yes.
Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jyoti.
Yes.
Yes. Did you see it move? Now let us do 100 we wrote. Let us do minus 50. It has come down?
Yes, sure.
It
Teacher.
has come down? Yes. Now
Yes.
let us do minus 150. It has gone down. Can you see?
Yes, dear teacher.
Okay. Now let us do minus 50 and I will change the x-axis. Minus 50. So both at 50. So have you seen it has moved to the left side? And down?
Yes.
Left side but down.
Yes.
Is it now you're understanding? If I do 150, so it has gone to the right side. If I do minus 150, it will move to the left side and down. Now y-axis I want it to go up. So I must change because it is minus. I have to make it positive. So I will put plus 50. So it has gone up. Now you understood according to the coordinates, you can keep moving the character here and there and make it jump. But did you see that it was jumping? It was not walking. When I moved it, say y-axis 100. Did you see it jumped? It got teleported. It was teleporting. Yes or no? Can you understand? I'm not able to know whether you have understood or not. If you don't write in the
Yes,
chat.
dear teacher.
Mahin is only saying. What about others? Did the cat walk, or did it just go like a magic to that place?
It just magic.
Yeah, it went just like magic. Yes. So that is called teleporting. That is called teleport. Yes, Zora, very good. Now the wizard says, I don't want you to go teleporting. I want you to walk. I want you to walk 10x. Okay? So supposing x is 10. Okay?
Okay.
And this is 0. Sorry. 0. Okay? Even this I will say 0. So it is at the center. Now it is telling to move 10 steps to x. How will I do? I will go to, you can see on the left hand side the instructions in blue, and there is color coding circles over here. You have blue, purple, pink, yellow, orange, blue, green, orange, pink, the color are circles. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, these are called the codes. Do you remember? These are called the codes. So I want it to move. So I will take this code, motion code, to move. And I'm choosing motion. And how many steps I want it to? Sorry, 0. How many steps I want it to move? 10 steps. So I
0.
drag and no, 10 steps. No more walking. No more jumping. 10 steps I want it to move. Okay. So now I click. You see it is moving. Sorry. I have to add over here 10. And then it needs to be clicked. I forgot to use this. I want it to go 10 steps. It was at 0. Okay. Now I want it to go 10 steps. So I keep clicking 1. So how it is, how the number is changing here? Did you see? Again, I'll do. Wait, I put 0 over here.
Yes.
You see how when I click, when I use the click, you will see the X number changes to 10. Okay, I will change the number. I'll change the number here and I will write 5. Okay, I'll make this 0 again. Now you see, when I click, it will move 5. Now I change this to, say, 50. Now I click, it has moved to 50. So, did you understand? Did you understand this? And it is moving to the right.
Yes.
If I write minus 50, you see what will happen. You saw it move back. If I write minus 100, you see what happens. Sorry, it is plus 100, minus 100. So see what happens. Again, it has moved back. Minus 200. It will go another 200 steps back. So the y-axis also changes. The x-axis, it is all on x-axis. This is happening on x-axis because it is all x-axis going left and right. Now if I say move, I need to use y-axis here. Supposing I use this one and I don't want this, so I delete this block. I use this block. Now you see the fun. I have written minus 20, minus 50 in x-axis, and 0 is y-axis. Now I click, you see. It has moved minus 50 from 0. 0 is y-axis, so it has moved minus 50. It will go to the right because it was at 150, so it has to go to 50. Now I write y-axis 100. And you see the fun. So when it is positive y-axis, it will go up. And minus 50 is on the left-hand side. So if I make this into plus 50, only 50, it will go to the which side? It will go to which side? Right. Is that clear to here? I think I'll stop here. Yes, Ms. Paramita? Is that clear? Everybody? Paramita?
Yes.
I will share the presentation with you, but did you all understand up to here?
Yes, dear.
Very good. So see, when you are practicing this, you must go to Scratch and you must practice on the Scratch app using all the coordinates. Otherwise, you will not remember. Keep changing the coordinates. Then only you will know whether it is going up, down, left, right, positive, negative, positive and positive, negative and negative. You will only understand when you play with the Scratch app. Okay. Paramita, how are you? Are you there, Miss Paramita? I think she's there. Anyway, thank you so much, everybody. And I will share the exit form with you. Are you there?